Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me guide. In this video, I am gonna tell you guys how to blur in Adobe Premiere. Add a video to your timeline, go to Effects at right side and search Blur. Now, you see Gaussian blur here. Drag this effect to your timeline. Then go to Effect Control at right side. Scroll down and see Gaussian blur. There pen select it and trace the object that you don't want to do it blur. As you see, I am tracing this person and laptop because I don't want to do it blur. You have to join the starting point at the ending point. After this, it take a little time to save. Now, see the video and stop after 2 to 3 seconds and check the points to the shape of the person. And if there is not right, then do it as I do. Select the timer of mask path. Now in Gaussian blur, in mask expansion button inverted. Mask feather to 61 and now do the blurriness 106 and now you can see and it's done. Thanks for watching.